Welcome to the Healthy Pantry, your daily dose of nutritional knowledge and wellness inspiration. We are delighted to have you here. In today's video, we're diving deep into the magnificent world of bay leaves. Meet the mighty bay leaf, a humble yet powerful herb that has graced kitchens and medicine cabinets for centuries. But did you know that beyond its delightful taste and aroma, bay leaves hide a treasure trove of health benefits? In the world of culinary herbs, there's one little leaf that holds a big secret: the bay leaf. But its magic doesn't stop at adding flavor to our dishes. It's also a secret ally for our digestive system. Bay leaves contain essential oils, such as cineol and eugenol, which have soothing effects on the digestive system. These compounds can help calm digestive discomfort and ease indigestion. Bay leaves have carminative properties, meaning they can help prevent the formation of gas in the gastrointestinal tract. This can reduce bloating and discomfort after a meal. Drinking bay leaf tea can be beneficial for soothing an upset stomach. The warm infusion of bay leaves can help alleviate nausea and indigestion. The unique compounds in bay leaves possess anti-inflammatory effects, which means they can help reduce inflammation in the body and potentially alleviate discomfort caused by various conditions. What's more, bay leaves can be beneficial for the respiratory system. When used in teas or infusions, they may help soothe coughs and alleviate respiratory congestion. Bay leaves are also a secret weapon for stress reduction. The enchanting fragrance of bay leaves can have a soothing effect on the mind and body. Simply inhaling their aroma can help reduce stress and promote relaxation. Bay leaves contain compounds like linalool, which possess natural anti-anxiety effects. Incorporating them into our daily routines can help ease anxious feelings and promote a sense of tranquility. Bay leaves' calming properties can contribute to better sleep quality, ensuring you wake up refreshed and ready to take on the day. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. What's more, bay leaf extracts have been used topically for wound healing. Bay leaves possess natural antimicrobial properties, thanks to the presence of essential oils like eugenol and cineol. These compounds help protect wounds from infection-causing bacteria, promoting a clean healing environment. Bay leaves contain powerful anti-inflammatory agents, which can help reduce redness, swelling, and discomfort around the wound area, facilitating the healing process. Applying crushed bay leaves or bay leaf oil topically can form a protective barrier over the wound, shielding it from external irritants and preventing further damage. Studies suggest that bay leaves may support heart health by helping to lower LDL cholesterol levels and maintain healthy blood pressure, promoting cardiovascular well-being. Lastly, the aroma of bay leaves acts as a natural insect repellent, keeping pesky bugs at bay during outdoor activities. As we bid farewell, remember the magic of bay leaves, savor their flavors, embrace their wellness wonders, and let nature nourish your body and soul. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information shared valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.